vie béni me. Et on donne béni. Vie béni qui. Et ava simi yina. Even na wasize be me wa. Obe unogono kere la vie. Ye here you one ya ariku. Ime mana come down. Ni me zik beni ye ga wu etemi bia me beni ya ye FP ye mo wani. Ami wa yi me ro wa to plot ni me de siri ai obi ye no na moto ni ona mo ye. O ma we ni tin yo. O wani ye mo boy ne. O wa be no ma be na ya boy o size be wa see me see over 3 months plus nike iwia ije vie pe me e jori kwa mo be bo wanu ye mo alagbo dewe de mi we ni udi me unwe mommy obugbe.
Okay, now what's the one here ya police mo
mommy because initiative area we bodo kwa ni family kwa for nothing. The only way no here TV be me.
Hello my people, I greet the followers from Otoshebo Mama. Also na dey fine. Una do well, so na take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. Really appreciate una well. My people, I just see this video when I just listening to. So I will put the full video when I listening to. Wetin happen to this woman. But now what for some family, oh, now what for some family. For a daughter to talk say she wan go arrest her mother because of paper of house, you know say that daughter it don't pass through many things. The truth it dey bitter, but sometimes it good make we dey talk am. She talk a little about wetin happen till now she dey able to deny she be able to demand for her document of her house. Say mama give me paper. I know say she don't marry because some parents then they do like say we still be small pikin, we still be on more of yesterday. This woman, the way she take talk, okay, the first house where she say make them build am kpaka when she go Nigeria, the house no even dey there. She no even worry. He come on, no say the way some family take they do their people, it no good. He still go they do another one. Till where the person where give where the person where she say make they help and they build the house can't travel out. Then she can say okay, for her to just give another person, make she kukuma tell her mother say yeah, see the house where I be they build though, because when I don't fair eat me, I can't they hide that for now. Now me I can't tell you say see the document he give him mother, he continue the house. Okay, when she don't marry now, don't born, I know say your husband go see enter for inside say may you try may everything dey your hand, because we know the way our family take they do for house. I believe say na your husband come tell her say e good make your paper or your documents for your house make them dey your hand, because now your own, because tomorrow na they talk about because all these things wey we dey talk about so now tomorrow, because when the year go kpeme na the first son go come and go say na im mother get am. If they change that document now then go change am. Then go change am for your hand. I just pity this woman, because the way they tell they do us, wey dey here, they no know say the thing dey pain. I dey feel the pain of this woman. She not be omomo of yesterday. Now her property, if she want sell am, make she sell am. Eat the money. It's like when you want do something where it be your own, person go come dey tell you say you no get the right, you no fit do am. The thing dey pay my people. Now she suffer for the house. Now she suffer for the money. Make them give her a document. Even though say he sell am, he don't born. He want eat am, make he eat am. Because all this house where we dey build for Nigeria, so our children where we born for this abroad, they know they go there. Now just because of say unuemagbon, now they make people they build am. But when they go come to say give me my documents, problem go come. Why it be like that? Problem go come. They'll come they want your head safe. If you not take time, then now your head now they'll come they want. I understand. Say okay, the girl say the house no be the one where mother she dey demand for the document. Now another one where she build. Then she dey demand. She no even tell say I want comot the mother for house. Now see, because then they fear say maybe they give her, he go sell her, even though he sell her. Now he wrote 19. You also suffer your now sweat. As he like, he do am. Problem no dey. I no dey like when they oppress person because person just trust you, give you that document, and she don talk say this on Saturday they wan go arrest the mother because that is not to arrest am to put am for prison, to force am comot the document for im hand. Because when you know the family where you for dey call, my people, make you wise well because when your mother die, now you are on your own. Before you go talk, all your property, they don't collect am. Change the name for your head. You don't get voice again. Now the truth of the matter. Now the truth, my people, because all these things, all this abroad where we come, so we dey suffer for this side. Suffer dey. Not let that person go come tell you the way you want come they use your money. Now you know the way we take pay you, the way where you take suffer, take get that money, take build your property. And the person will come they tell you, say you no get the right to collect your own document. The thing they pay person, eh? I don't say make she go arrest her mother, but make she find one way or another, collect that document for their hand. Because the mother still dey alive now, something be like this. Once the mother not dey alive again, my people, we dey hear many things, many things where we don't dey hear. Some people dey their own house. Maybe his father not get land. They go bury am for his sister house. Later now, that house, they will say na the first son that they want give. But the first son no say no be papa get the house for. Now his sister where they abroad then get am. Just for her to say, make they bury his father for his house, make they not carry and go cemetery. They will call they want, make they carry that house from that girl, give to that his brother because it dey happen. That one don't suffer for abroad, build house. Now her name dey. They will say because of say they bury father for the house. Because as for Benin, when they bury your father for the house where they bury and put, now the first son, then they pass the house to. They will come forget, say na person na get am, na person na build am, not be the father na build am. We dey hear many things. My people, more na wise. If you buy land, let that paper dey with you for year abroad. People when they do euro to euro, make them bring a come for you, may dey with you for year. May dey with you for year, because if you not dey with you for year, you are your own. You are your own. They'll put pepper for your eye. You know, see person where you go cry, go meet. You see this one now. She say, EJ, give me my paper. He say, I'm on the Barcelona, no they give you. They no come and do one. Even though say you want sell now, make it sell now. Now property, my people. The thing they pay me, if you want to do something, they not allow you to do one. If they pay for body, especially when you know the suffer, when you suffer. They build that house, they'll come, they command you. You not be 18 years. Command you, say you must not do this one. You must not do one like that. Once the parents not there again, not be this one, we go come they talk again. If then they change the document now, they go change them. Then go change them for your hand. Brothers and sisters where they abroad, when you get property, let that document dey with you for abroad for year. Put am for abroad for year, may dey with you. As you want to do one, no, it not concern anybody. Because you know they interfere for their own. They not get right to interfere for your own where you suffer. For inside code. Now you take gather all that money. One person go come and say, you must not do one like this. You must do one like this. I don't talk my own. Who get ear, made them ear. May I put the video more than listening? On a bye.
Yeah, Mama appreciate him no more than Mama. I like what they will be hearing. Mommy, you're
Then it there, ni close on Amy. It did. It close up. No one come.
Mama appreciate him no more than Mama. I like they will be hearing. Hey, make work when I did Saturday can you arrest you? Saturday can you arrest you?
What don't why you arrest you?
They touch him and then they preaching no preacher. A preaching no preacher cause I near me. Hey, you have to call you. I call you back. Yeah, bon. Mama appreciate him no more than Mama. I like what they will be giving. Hey, make work when I did Saturday can you arrest you?
Why you arrest you? Tamame, why go arrest you? EJ mana appreciate se no unia. And when ya esoro ya your money. O me ni ya we ni ye. Ki wi je ke ya appreciate ya. So do I rudeni ya na wa pitendi. Ama no ya appreciate. No appreciate ro eru ya. Hello.
Hello, mommy.
Call J o site we.
Love is it, mommy.
Call we mi aje wa ke debo nu jena.
Germany, no, mama.
Okay, Jamie, which way na why you arrested?
Mommy, a long story, no. When you born, I live it in my pot. You get with mommy, a long story, no, mama.
Gwe magwa, what are you magbo mawa?
Mommy, me ask a web book, my cookie, me. No, tell me not to tell me care of Banoza Euro. I who ye me for you, worry, more ye me. I'll tell me not you, what tell me all I be him, me, free blessed, there, any me that's a web book. A yard if you dare, may I say no more Mary. In a way, I go living a yabu, what get the ye me yo. Yes, one balligo muki me. I do me a boba. At the end of the day, one year we are boy, we are boy for Maggie, you one minute, whenever fear shot you. When I got you with 2017, home of mana with time gave me near surprising. Me ma be away boy anything wrong. It will never be a surprise as no big ben any my worry. Maggie so wa completed beauty me do by ye. He was from where we go. Or tell me no care no. If you na be wedding no ma ya ma gbegbe me wa mari ne go deni ya mu dia yo me iwe ya gwa lo e me na be careful with me so kere ni pa ya hin we anything e ta me o ma be me gi na do deku ni me ya azozo ke me Nigeria 2017 e do ya deku ma no go me ibo wa yi yo ve ibo wa ni mo me mata mo vi ye me mata mo vi rami e ma be time ye me to boy but one not one in men travel with me. So we're here, even anybody in Nigeria and our Malawi. Yeah, Timos to give me even original. No, my very red no, never do more a big bar. A yati yeme with you like me, and me, my bit night be. On a do I go, you even wait about Boba in an automatic 1 year. One can finish your one.
Okay.
A bed in a do I go, yeme. Then my work one mommy. In a do be another one more dog. Okay, fine. Never get mommy. If you have a one done, yemi no, even no sooner. We are not mommy ever bungwe. Okay, now if you were via Benny me, you want on a penny, via Benny. I have seen me, even our season being a war. Away, uno carry life in here, you 1 year. You may mana come down near me with me, zip Benny, woo, a telling me, maybe in a year, in a few, in more one. Ami wa yi mero wa to plot ni mede si de ai o yi me no jona motoni ona mo ye o ma we ni tin yo o wa ni ye mo bo ne o wa re no ma re na ya boy o si ze be wa si mi si over 3 months plus ni ke yi e je vie be me e jo ri ku mo be bo wa no ye mo alagbo de we de mi we ni o ni me o Mommy,
okay, now what's the one here? Ya police mo.
Mommy, because initiative area we both want the family for nothing. The only way no here TV be me anything. Brother to na really no one. You go me work me efe. So the only way here TV me property me back nothing. Me here TV area we boni do one for nothing. Na do me we me to tie property me. Imawo rukpa yo wani bonu ejere o wani me bonu mere boni men we me ya boy if you benu we ye gun dai e luggage ni mo are wa ha momi e go de bi
oh which why go refuse when you vie be when abia be no ya ka ona me why it's yan in Nigeria why nye papati ya
mommy because me go work one na me preaching all shocking over here na me work boy to ma go work o yi me ti o ya me
me no see any na see me papati o man ire webo wanya abi you understand you una the craze wanya omo no gbera 18 years no be right no ya to boy ebo wage o be right no ya mo wa no ma be o gbera ma see me ba bo wa die no be jua many call eye police mo die no ba ga many go me call
mommy ye me no stubborn no ya drop no bag na ye na me we ma drop ya drop no but kwe itamo bi na me tamo bi ye me ne tamo egbe me ya ni iya go egun no wede na wo we lele o we yin won se video ni weti me ya hin no wa this ya to bo ye de no kan we wo o wani we ma to taji o wani we ma bie O wani o wani me bonu wea. No weji.
Ijuana miamia we wonya wani who etin will know that document. Di mana
okay.
Ni ukunye yo hu. Ore.
Only me tama.
Excuse me. Ore ba ado tama we madam.
No care mommy me nado inado bio one no wa ya tami a family me ha me yeme we ihio ene. But in my other for when I will be you to know where money here. So, imagine when I will be and now, even here, you on your way, your money at time, you make me, you told even I do according me. In that way, you told me, the next thing I never near to know, okay. Oh, no, then we move me. It's so plotting of you where he 1 year away, or no man yato. May no so say me, or how many will be a good. Oh, mommy, or shock you, Mel. What time you may give me as a two within an awkward, he's getting me moving on with egg. Oh, my lack of anything there. He saw one of the generation of furniture, when a furniture palana will be at fair now near. Mommy, I made it in Rabinia now, when near Big Benny. I'm telling you the truth. Mama, good mommy, I will settle. I said it be more, I said to me,
where you're not bag any many merits. You're not bagging.
There be a name in
the police more. One age,
I finalize them yanni.
I don't work back finalize.
Saturday, we have you when you pick one mommy.
Saturday, wiki now.
Yes, ma.
Iyakwe,
Iyakwe, Saturday,
wow, done. You're not be you many trouble, message you, you police, well done. Go make a quick one, give me a quick one, and make any yata. Send no baggery. Why you police mo uje we wa areje you to so mana kata mame
mami ga call ma pick ya ti doctor ibra doctor me obi ku me reason me ya
we must support a reason na a reason ogwa be doctor na must support here doctor where la nia
voice recording mami voice recording no be me send ku me time I be report me na wo wala wa be me guje kwa no fie pe me or more the other way round. Ya said they go back life.
Send we send there. No we send no obituary. We mutiane go make a good work one. Hold on. All the police in here, hold on. Go make a good work one. You no obituary. Oh, when not stubborn, you not buy it. What? You not buy it. Wabege mi neme we boasi. Dey je dan very simple o wanya wa. Oje me na me we aga when wa stay you warmer wa ogu wanya. Wanya attachment. O wahin o wana when wa stay ji iya ni re we bonya. O wanya ne no wa. Ibeti wa to agwe bi re sim you wa. They can drive on at any time. Oh, no, ije no wa misbehave of your way latin. Oh, why no wa? Then no when no vie beni and no vie bene. Wanya wa dede. They no be jware ni no ta. Ni no e wanya wa. Ade ebe dok banya wa buverio. Ari wa yo wan wa me wa inya ne no wa. You people una dey okay. Abi mani de we bona o gwere maji abi ni ma ro gwere na ado ta na we manyawa na bo gware enu gwa agubere simie wa nenu ni ya le la wodo wa nenu ni pia ni ro bueno de no bijeri they no be jouer riere no e police mu jouer e data mu e ma support when we arrest jouer why arrest jouer enwa hia ya mi o enwa o police we gi me ka ti jouer na me ka ewe ni yawo o ma teme ma wa emi nu wa we o si awa kan jiyan o. Oh, wanna imagine where a retouche, I can collect it at any time.
I beg. I'm not senior you, number one, not they greet me again. My trouble too much, not they send me voice note. Not be me wants to sell your house again. Not be me that tell you say wants to sell your house again. Now you want to sell your house. You say not run it, we know what push with them. You just say house, paper fast. Now house paper now paper fast. Now be the matter now. You know face your life. You know go face important in a trouble. You just they insult everybody. You they talk anyhow. But you want to take your house paper to do. What you want even kill her now? What do you want even to say you go fit do her? You want when you call the thing, they make you they tell us. They make you they tell us. They say me you report her to all of us. Before you give her the paper, I did it. If not me, it not concern me. Any way you do your ass, it not concern me. If you like you say all of them, not concern me. I'm not they go there, go stay tomorrow. You not be my sister. At you yet. Not call me mama again. I'm not senior you. Me where they say you want to sell your house. Me where they insult. You know how many years I take senior you? You know how many years I take senior? Not 2 years I take senior, not 5 years. You know how many years I take senior? You go they cost me like a momo because I go your house. I go your house. Just because the way they talk here that they say your builders every
You even you get any problem in Akede. That's if you're not hello. He say oh, mere live video.
He said they stop where I went up play.
On my letter.
Body just abandon her. And I said no, say now so you be. They go it will me wow any. You go they call everybody around for Nigeria, nobody they respond. Now the only people who go respond are people when you they feed. And they're not going to ever tell you the truth. And now people will be say they say they feed eat your own. Now they're not going to tell you the truth. Not be me. I go tell you the truth. The house that the say you be the house, how many tenants don't stay? Not be only two. Not be only two don't stay. People even did the house now. They tell you say people before pastor be saying one go sell on that day they give agents more than 5 agents for that area. Now tell me now me you tell you. What it concern me if you sell the house? Even if pastor sell it no concern me. Make I tell you. Me now no as no want to do. If you like to go kill and collect what is you want to take your document do? You never hear say before me come for abroad. Now you hear this my house document there with. I not tell anybody make their carry come for me because I not say no seller. Mama not able to sell property. I'm aware. Say na that house rent where they talk. They not able to pay a person where they not they pay. She just the safeguard that for you because if you owe tomorrow you go come house. You see all that glitter is not gold. Now black man are you born for not be oibo. You go come house. You know guy you want to talk. That one are the truth. So yeah, not be all this somebody they do so. What you are supposed to focus on, you are not focusing on that one. They focus on that document, you want to they fight again now. Call lawyer. Call this one. Now let you get house or bini. I beg you. I never see yes, you're there, brother. You carry for you, they talk with you know if they break. Think big, think wise. How are you going to survive today?
They never come with calling and hello.
Hello, mama.
Hello.
Hello, Insa.
You.
So I'm very happy. And Okono Guaipa, Keke this voice record not send it now. Was again, I want to get a bona. Also no. So also when after that way, not no be genuine. We got colleague. Ona no be good. Ije not. Ona colleague. Was we. And this year we come work. It be carry work. All see. I look at what boy. The issue not only like family problem. There's something wrong because when we get here type on our way. But there's something wrong. Man, I tell you now. You are not be good. No, it not be journalism. But not college. In your area. When me again, no, so now.
Ma, what gap me for you? Only damn your phone. Call side somewhere. Make it having a yak one. You name me.
Your tomorrow should be better than today.
You not be worried.
Start now. Now you don't born. How your picking future one be? How your husband future one be? Your husband supposed to tell you how the future supposed to be. But the men where they deceive by our brother, fortunately men, how they be.
You don't even know what the next thing. You dey cry for document. Now document now, your man will die now. Your man where they feel they go from, your mother is okay. If you want to sell your property, tell us I want to sell my property, I need money. Tell her the truth. She will give you. Nobody, what they want to take your house do? If anybody, people die, I never even die, but when you give pastor, pastor no know how much he chop for them. You want to maintain the house, who you want to maintain her for? The one way your mother when you go over maintain, say okay, you not even maintain, you want to be maintained for rent. The only thing you're supposed to do for them before now stabilizer, to buy stabilizer, make sure the water they pump so that may not block. Just they worry yourself over nothing. You don't sell that land. Nobody. When you tell me say you want to sell the land that day, me I find buyer. Wait I tell you, I say I know they do. May you find only the way go help you sell her. Money not they die for my eye. Another person money not die. Now picture. Now picture it be. My hand not cut, my leg not cut. I they carry along as God say me be. I they manage. I thank God. You understand? Focus on your life. Focus. Be focused. Forget problem. Creating problem here and there. This life, nothing there. Forget trouble. Make trouble with your mother. Yesterday I call her. Una two they shout online. You they tell her say when I pursue her for my house. If not be say you put her for house. It will say I don't want to be brother. I put her for house. If you pick not put her for house, your own brother if you even put her for house. For how many years when my father tell that before we go? Why I go kind? It also your house not there. Sure say my mother for not there here. She for not get where she go they go. If for not they do any, I wish they do any come out. Because I tell her what she come out. When you come Nigeria, why you are an office sit down? Why you are an office sit down? Wait till they portray you. So it time when I no more get Baba Sag, but then I will also agree. She's not bad, she's old. She don't old, it's just for you to tolerate her. How many years she very soon God go call her and then everybody say call, everybody must go. We just they pray may we live old like her. And their children. We now and their children, we are no more playing it.
Okay. Otangbe. Eno biju marry because otin we na ma we yen me contract. Iju me oni me gugwan. Hello, mama. Umari no be jewelry. It no be joy important. You need to not be jewelry.
Video novel na me kimi na rena viage. Mama mi wede mommy we ya la dia la wo. E ni veta mi na ve mi na mewe. Ena mommy na we magi mewe, u magi la dia na maria I wash we. Na because you we na ge e pastor ni ma. Imina my we na wa gun. I talk pe o mommy. Ani na gbera kwari mi na fun ha na wa tun you talk. Uvun ya na je ne mi ni ya gbo na ge itun e han ni oye na itun e papa ana ya gwe ha so ibi me ni pe fa na fi ogwejo oni ana we ina we wa wetin afi wele le uvun na we fi we wo ma de yin irugwe.
Hello mama. Mere live video na me ware live video me zobo won dey na I finish na ya reply with message na call ibe relax here. Ye magire no bi jinyere e no bi je o magire why me no sunu na sister me we no sunu ijuwe o we yegari no bo wani yega vie be wani no do hin jinyoru when many of them wa we I got wodo e kere god that film deceive man na hin wani ya ijuwe eye police mu ge bo wani agwe ebo wa gujue o ma se wuje police mu e mata watama we na ebo wa ogujue o ma se wuje police ya mu jue e we mi ni wiji anado ana we wo keke na egbe anado ana we wo keke aye police mu jue egbera ihun egbijue ihun etun ni afefefe o me ye police muju na gbe ni ya gun wa ye police muju na wo de mi no wa no na ye police muju ije no mu we ye ko be 9 months Okay, o ma wi je me we adam e bu de ni enu e. Egu me on gu je police mu juwe. Am damo e. Wa si a e ne bo wa ne ga go e bo ya e wu wo nyawa. Won egbanu na rogwo do won amana giju e vie bere. Si a e we ti o ma ro pa woni ha me ju no vie bo wa no e. Forget. Uno ragbon we go not pa no boni e ko wa concentrate ni aboefo. Eye police mu juwe o. Calling ya baba when he stop. Do tell me lawyer no a police in no call when he stop. What forget. E kinu adona ohono we 20 no. Clean clean because uje wa no build a cause a family. Because iju o tijo o ya hinu we ba. So don't ever try it. Do why problem go e beni o problem go ori ogogo ne si ayo obo e le lekon won si ajo obo o site we abi eri me ya boyen do wa ni o problem dede gera go dede je police mu ju we ge mo pa advice we ora o te iju ogugwe simi sefi we ye police mu e ma we owa asile gbe yo dolopa na kukin ari abe amana onsa ana ye police mu etin wa nya ga wo mami debi na bo wa do we your pikin we dey abroad na he can arrest you only nonsense bagome ka gun ane wa ki akọ hello o site we mama
Mami. Iwe okuna na reto wo regbe ti wa nu no na wi aye police mu je na emi na wa ri tayo
awa ekwejo na awa ekwejo
awa pipe no mi ije bogwa awa pe wa dan emi no ti o ta ba we wa ipe so na mare re webu iyan wa o pipe no mi je be bogwa
awu we na wa support we aye police mu ju eri akọ o sa ba we se gudo tama me e damo e
o se gbo ni re
ha
when you put the we le ba o me pio do o no kun a ri we fo e we gbe de o do e no be we ni o de to be ji o ba we police mu ju e ipo so yin de mere me no wunya be we po na de o ni no gbe ya mere no si ije no bi we no matter ni ji awi me ni mi ana wi ya lele kun
mama ko baba o ko na ye be ye police mu ju e o ga mo iju e be ni vi o enu e mata gbata ma we na o ga mo iju e be ni vi o enu e dai ko we ko so bo wa ni no ke on won de tu me bo wani na wu na aro wodo na hi wo ma mo ijo be daji we mo wani na we kela wodo no aya ye police mu ju e change be ni jo obo whether we change e jo obo o forget ogiao anyway we do vioro change the name everything o change it. So no good when we are declare or we police mu well. You salo ba ya imi awe try or that one where the nene call the man only he okay no Omari pick. Mama, Omari pick a call we. Ye police mu jouer. Doctor, dure la ni gume kole. Ye police mu jouer nwe we matama we. Wa regret Otwo no pata bawuta we nyekujin ye fo ayoware ega no to na kuje fo agwa ni mari police ya mu do akwo we no kpanyo wo ware ye police mu okay emi no gwa kere ni banana is no like court we ye police mu jwa kan ibe bele wo kan ibe bele abi bi ju no re we bo do bele Il m'a supporté, oh, mais à quoi?